Welcome, today I am with Huawei MateBook D15 and I will show you how you can change system sound volume level. So we have to click on this speaker icon by tapping with right mouse button, and we have to go for the open volume mixer. And as you can see in this place we are able to change system sounds volume level. So if you want to mute all of your system sounds, you can drag this slider to the bottom or just click on this speaker, and when you get this little tiny red icon, it means that it's turned off. And here you can also adjust the speaker sounds. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.